Hello, I am Wesley Sutliff here at Televic for InfoComm 2024, and very excited to be showcasing our wireless discussion system. Same form factor from our flagship line for wired. You have the stem, you have the loudspeaker, you have the push to talk, but of course this is a wireless product operating off of batteries as opposed to being plugged in, so it is excellent to deploy across flexible conference spaces, divisible boardrooms, large lecture halls, anything that's not a permanent install. We're operating on 2.4 and 5 gigahertz for wireless, and this is our access point. It can go in the ceiling or on a wall or on a tripod. What's wonderful about this is that this is the entire head end. This is the brain of the system. You don't need any additional rack equipment. So it makes this very easy to deploy and install. It comes with a Dante option, and it has all of the traditional conference features you might expect: voting, language interpretation, split it up into dual delegate, all those things you'd love and expect. We do like the fact that it does have Dante on it, so you can just pull this into your Dante network and control those audio signals that way. So if you want to learn more about this product or any of our others, please visit televic.com and request a demo. Thank you.